security personnel are currently stationed at the Lekki Tollgate in Lagos State in anticipation of the hardship protest expected to commence nationwide today, August 1st. Security agents and their vehicles are strategically positioned on various sides of the toll gate. It is important to note that the Lekki Tollgate was the site of the shooting incident during the October 2020 NSARS protest. This incident escalated into a nationwide crisis, resulting in the destruction of numerous government and private properties by suspected thugs who had hijacked the protest. A video from the toll gate this morning showed limited vehicular movement. Meanwhile, banks, schools, businesses, and public places have been shut down as the protest begins today.